Welcome to SBCCTV. This SBCCTV tutorial is an introduction to player profile pages. A player profile page is based on a template that allows you, the coach, to create player profile pages for your student athletes. We'll discuss the purpose of these pages, what to expect in this training, and also what's not covered in this training. So why create a player profile? Let's look at the purpose of these pages. A top initiative in the SBCC Athletic Department is to assist and prepare student athletes to transfer to a four-year college. As a coach, you're key in this process. By creating player profile pages and YouTube video channels, you're helping student athletes receive the exposure that can open the door to athletic scholarships. Let's hear from Ryan Byrne about why he thinks these player profile pages are so important.
The old saying there are 6 degrees of separation between any two people may be outdated. With the increase of social media, people around the world are able to connect instantly with others that share their interests, and this is nowhere more true than in the field of intercollegiate athletics. Today I'd like to briefly discuss with you the benefits of creating your player profile page for your student athletes. As you know, recruiting is all about relationships. Consider how much easier it is for you to connect with your friends and colleagues on such social media as Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. What these sites do for you and your connections, a player profile page can do for our student athletes. Four-year coaches typically ask for 2 things, film and transcripts. But they also often ask questions like, is your student athlete a 2-for-2 or a 3-for-2? Is she a qualifier? What's he majoring in? And they may also ask, how good of an athlete is this person? Can I see him doing some footwork drills? Can I see her in the weight room? What type of lifter is she? All of these questions can be covered in your student athlete's player profile page. And it can better allow our student athletes to find the right fit at the 4-year level. So get started on your team's player profile page today. By doing so, you're helping make those 6 degrees of separation seem more like 1 or 2. Thanks, and go Vaqueros.
Now that you know why the player profile is so important, let's talk about the training process. So what to expect in this training? Well, first you need to make sure you're prepared to take this training. Have you taken the basic Omni Update training? And is the directory structure already set up so that you can use the player profile? I'm not going to go into detail about this in this video, but those are things to think about. Also, you're going to learn about how to use SBCCTV as a training resource. You're going to be taking step-by-step tutorials to help you create your player profile pages. And you'll have a chance to print any training material so that you'll have that in a print form. So what's not in this training? The main thing that's not in this that we're not going to cover is setting up your YouTube channel. So you'll have to make sure that is done on your own. I briefly touched upon what you need to do and how to be prepared for this training, and the next video is going to go into detail about that. So let's take a look.